Alright, so here we have 3 Tranes right here, 2 XRs and 1 Odyssey. These are from 2023, I imagine. And this Odyssey is already still old. This one just turned off. But I'm actually going to film the Tranes before these turn off, or this one. Here's the XR series. Lion Scroll. Gentech fan motor, 2024, 3-ton. These are newer. 414 SEER. Straight cool. And this other 2024 that just turned off. I didn't check the date, but I know it's that. 2024, 3-ton. Here's the Trane, Odyssey. That's a Lion Scroll compressor. Odyssey fans are typically very powerful. This one's not as powerful. This must be a 3-blade. Right here. And this is a 2010 6-ton, actually. 6 and a 12 ton. So yeah, there's an extra BTU in there. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.